Alright, welcome back to the channel. Working on the 27T. What I have here is a Anson drag race explosion proof bell housing, which has also the bottom to it. These are really good. They're old school, they're heavy as hell, but if that clutch blows up, I'm still gonna have my feet mostly. So what I did was, when I had the engine in, I tack welded the uprights for it, but I need to finish welding them. So we'll set you up over here and let's get it welded. It's all welded up. So, all right. Well, we will continue on other stuff. That's not just the only thing on this part of the video. Hey guys, welcome back. This should be maybe a second part of my welding I was doing on the frame. Right now we're going to be fitting some of the roof, sorry about the sun, the roof panels here. If you've seen some of the earlier videos on the 27T, you'll know that I'm doing a transparent roof, and it's going to have a metal structure around it. And what I'm going to do now is I just have to shave this down a little bit so it fits, because right now it's overlapping on the one panel just by a titch. So I get that sanded down a little bit so it will fit, and we'll get that popped back up on there. So let's get going. On there, just got to use some vice grips, and then I'm going to use a channel C clamp to hold this down flat, and what we're going to do is we'll weld it and then get it spot welded, and then we'll pull it off. I have the chassis upside down right now, and that works perfect for laying this down on it. It's like a nice little welding table. So we'll get it welded up, and I decided to use Model A like canvas roof for this, just to give it a little extra contrast. So it's going to have the yellow roof insert. I just thought it was going to be too much gold on it, to be honest. So I think the black will accent it. And then the visor gets that cloth cover too. So I think it's going to work out good. Pretty excited about it. Hopefully it's the right decision. We'll see. But yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna get this clamped up, then we'll get back going on the welding. So we're gonna start welding. I am really low on gas, welding gas, but we'll see how this turns out. If it's just crackling and popping, and we're gonna have to stop. But all right, let's give it to her. Looks like the welder's working decent still, so gonna finish up this 4 corners here, then we'll get right back to you. Well, it's the end of Sunday, and got a lot done today. The roof perimeter top is all done and welded up, and I got the channel that goes on the inside over here all plug welded in, so that's ready to go. Just gotta grind it down a little bit and prime it and throw some paint on it so it doesn't rust, because that is getting vinyl, like I said. I didn't bother filming the all the welding because it just gets to the point of monotonous. So, but all right, well, that's gonna probably conclude this part of the video, and we're going to be doing a lot more with the car. And follow us, like, share, subscribe, and we are on Instagram as well. There's the chassis. There's the body. Now we gotta put it all together. Take care, guys and gals.